That's a good morning for volleyball. A lot of folks out there. It must be a tournament going on out here. We've been seeing these volleyball courts really get a lot of people coming in over the last 30 minutes or so. Nice morning out there across the Grand Strand. More storms this afternoon into the evening time frame. That's going to set up for an unsettled weather pattern today, going through the next at least 4 or 5 days. We're also going to be tracking the tropics as we could see our first tropical storm move into our area later on this week. Temperatures right now in the mid-70s across the PD, 77 in Kingstree, 76 in Florence here along the Grand Strand, 77 in Myrtle Beach, Georgetown, and Conway. North Myrtle Beach at 79 this morning, so you're the warm spot. Watching this system of showers and storms over western Tennessee, you can kind of see these clouds moving in. That's going to be associated with a stalled front moving into the area. And with that, we're going to see waves of showers and storms develop over the next few days. So through noon today, partly cloudy skies out there, even through 3 p.m., and then you'll start to see these showers and storms starting to develop across the area. 1 or 2 of these could be on the stronger side, so we do have that level 1 risk of severe weather for the PD up along the border belt. Everyone except the immediate Grand Strand into Georgetown County will see that level 1 risk where we could see a damaging wind gust or 2 with these storms. There's that stalled front tomorrow morning. You can see that wave of low pressure moving off to the north. Another wave will develop, so we'll see more showers and storms tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours over the PD and kind of repeat that trend that we saw today into tomorrow and Tuesday. So it's going to be kind of an unsettled weather pattern. So let's take a look at Hurricane Franklin out in the Atlantic. Let me scoot back here. You can see a Category 4 possible by Monday afternoon, and then it zips off into the northern Atlantic. So thankfully for us, all we could see is some rougher seas, but it's going to stay between Bermuda and the Carolinas, so thankfully out to sea. So Tropical Depression 10, soon to be Tropical Storm Idalia. That will be moving into the Gulf. You can see by 2 p.m. Tuesday, a Category 1 hurricane could be moving into the Big Bend of Florida, and there's some indications it could be a little bit stronger than that. So the hurricane hunters will be in there today, so we'll get a lot more better data and help really fine-tune that forecast as we get into the next day or two. That could move through the PD areas, given the Grand Strand and PD some tropical storm conditions on your Wednesday into Thursday, so some heavy rain, gusty winds, even a low tornado threat possible. High temperatures today in the 80s, 90s back into the PD as we get into those overnight hours, lows in the mid-70s in the PD, mid to upper 70s here along the coast, so another warm and humid night out there across the area. Marine forecast 5 to 10 mile per hour winds, waves 2 to 3 feet, water temperature at 84 degrees, so it's going to be a nice beach day if you head out there. Here's the 7-day forecast. You can see it's really unsettled for the next several days. We're definitely watching that Wednesday, Thursday time frame because that's when we could see the effects of Tropical Storm Idalia move into the area. Again, gusty winds, heavy rain, storm surge, erosion, low tornado risk. A lot of things could come into fact here at the Grand Strand.